Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add widgets to home screen on Google Pixel 10 Pro. To add widgets to home screen, you can simply press and hold on the home screen, then tap on widgets. Now you'll have some suggested widgets right here, or select any other app from which you'd like to get a widget. So you can go to any app here and select a widget that you would like. I actually will select this one, the stopwatch. Let's tap on it, then click on add, and now you can see it is added. Feel free to resize it if you want. It's not like I really find this resizing working, honestly, but it's better, instead of resizing, it is better to actually select a widget that is already in the shape you want. So you can press and hold, go to widgets, and you can see if I go to clock, where's clock? Then I'll see widgets in different sizes. No, actually they are all in similar sizes, but if I go to anything else, like for example contacts, I have a widget that is 4x1. You probably can't see much right now. Okay, yeah, that one is 4x1, that is 2x2, and these ones are 1x1. So let's add this one, and now you can edit it and select, for example, which contacts to add here. So I'll add some, click on next, allow, and it's here. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.